to add a ROKU. First, we will go to our U WIGO Connect app. And then we will select the zone where we would like to have the ROKU. In this case, we are going to have it on the zone called Home. Then we will click on Device. And we will go to IoT, which is Internet of Things, is the last one, from top to bottom. And we will have Universe, ROKU, and Ecobee. We will select ROKU. And in the screen, it will appear the number identification for the ROKU device that we would like to select for this zone. It's important that this information matches with the information that is on your ROKU that you can set up in your TV and check it. Once this is done, we will click on it. And that's it. That's how you can add a ROKU device. Thank you very much.